My bratty niece ruined my $20,000 coat and was not apologetic at all. So her parents paid me back by selling her car and they grounded her for a year. I have a niece, 16F, and she is my sister's only child. 2 years ago I married a very wealthy man, and because of the pandemic, last Christmas was my first with my in-laws. My mother-in-law gifted me a coat that is worth more than $20,000. I didn't know how much it was. I knew it was expensive, but I thought maybe $3,000 at most. I was visiting my sister last January when my niece saw it. She Googled the brand and showed me how much it really was, and I won't lie, I didn't wear it after that because I was afraid of ruining it. Last week, I wore it while visiting my sister, and while I was putting it back on to leave, I felt something goes flat on my back, and then my niece started cackling and the smell of paint hit me. I was so pissed off when she was not apologetic at all. Her mom screamed at her and said she was grounded, then she said she would pay for the dry cleaning. While I was in my car, still in shock, I got an alert that my niece posted a reel. It was of her doing a prank on me, and she said I'm going to hit my aunt's $20,000 coat with a paint-filled balloon to see how she reacts. I saved it on my phone, sent it to her mom and told her that a week's grounding was not enough. She did not reply, but I saw that my niece took it down. It got less than 5 views by then. The next day I found out my coat could not be saved, so I called my sister and told her that her daughter had to pay it back. Well, we got into an argument and she said that they would not be paying for it, and if I wanted a new one, I should get my husband to buy it for me. I think that they should pay for it. They can afford to. In my opinion, they should sell my niece's car and pay me back my money. We did not reach an agreement, so I told her that I would be suing and reminded her that I have video evidence that her daughter A did it on purpose for online clout, and B knew exactly how expensive it was. When my husband got home, I told him what happened and showed him the video. He asked if I spoke with my brother-in-law, and I said no, all my conversations were with my sister. He said that he will take care of it. Now, a disclaimer, I understand nothing when it comes to insurance claims, and this is what my husband told me. My husband talked with my brother-in-law, told him exactly what happened, and showed him the prank video. Then he told him that the coat was insured, we would be filing a claim and submitting the video, and we might have to file charges for the claim. He assured him that we would be dropping the charges and we do not want to send niece to jail. Then he told him that one of two things might happen: after our insurance pays us, they will come after them. If their insurance pays, their premium will skyrocket. If it doesn't, they might sue them and might get a lien on their house. My brother-in-law asked if there was a way he could pay us without involving insurance. My husband told him that that was what we wanted at first, but that my sister insisted that they would not be paying us back. Apparently, my brother-in-law was not in the know, and he was very pissed off at what my niece did and my sister's response. So they came to this solution: my niece's car will be sold, and if it doesn't fetch the whole compensation money, she will have to get a job and pay me the whole check until it is paid off. Also, she is grounded for the rest of the school year.